This video will give you clarity about option selling advantages and how exactly option selling works and what are the different things you have to take care while you are a option seller will be discussed in this video. First of all, I would like to say option selling. What is option selling? Through these charts. Okay. See, when you see here, at this point of time, I have marked the pre-market analysis before the market opens. If you want to see that pre-market analysis video, you can go to my channel. Okay, and you can watch high probability trade locations for option selling video. This is today's pre-market analysis, and if you see that, you will know that I have marked the levels before the market opens. Okay, before the market opens, and I told that please don't take the trade when there is an immediate resistance here. I don't prefer to take the trades at this area because of the resistance immediately above it. But what happened? It goes in a good direction. When you enter here, you are going to make money. But why I am saying that? I don't know in the pre-market analysis this will break or not. But what I know is the probability. The probability to stay in the market when you enter just below the resistance is low. So I have told that. Now, this is how actually the trading works. But when it is going in your way, you have to have courage to pull the trigger of your trades. Now, I will explain the advantages of option selling in this video. See, I wanted to be bearish in the market. Okay, these are the lines I wanted to be bearish in the market. So what happened? Where is my entry? Where I have exited? Everything will be discussed here. And the advantages also. Okay, I know that when it is rejecting from this level, there is going to be a down move here. This is my experience. With my experience and the strategies I have learned, this is true. I have entered the market after the close of this candle. Sorry, I have entered the market after the close of this candle. Okay, after the close of this candle, and I know that I am going to take the profits at this area. This is my view. As I have planned, for some time it is going in my direction, and at this point of time I have exited the trade. At this point of time I have exited the trade. Usually I don't exit my trade whether it is a profit taking trade or the loss taking trade. This is my attitude. But why I exited at this point, at this 10-15 candle, in the sense, see the 10-15 candle here. Yeah, this is the 10-15 candle. I keep on watching both the trades here. This is the 10-15 candle, and it is the before candle is closing above this level. So it has broken the level of high resistance, big strong resistance. So there are higher chances to the price to trigger my stop loss. So immediately when I understood this, I just get out of the trade. Okay. Now, then what happened? I'll do this according to the situation. When you develop the attitude of spontaneously responding to the market actions, you will make money. It may not seem like immediately you are making money, but in the long run, the probability of success is in your side. Okay? There is a quote called short-term intensity beats long-term consistency. Okay, long term consistency beats short term intensity. That means in your short term, if you are intense about making the profits, that is not so good for the markets. But you are consistently doing the trade with the view of long term consistency, then you will be in profits. Like what it is called, there is a round circle of casino. When you see the casino in Goa, there are so many casinos over there. Did you see anybody making money and coming out of that casino? No. Why? Because the probability of the casino is for the casino owners. Okay, this is a science. Making money from the casino is like a science. Why? Because the probability is in the side of the casino owner. If you stay there, there is some math behind that. If you stay there and play this number of casino games, the edge is in your side. If you are playing now and then 1 or 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, no. This is a science of playing a casino. Trading is not far different than casino, but we have a science here. When you play this with this science, you will definitely win. This is not a gambling game. Okay. Now, after the close of this candle, see here, after the close of this candle, what is this? 11 o'clock candle. At this candle, 11:05 candle, I have taken a trade. I will show you the trade also at this candle. Remember 11:05 candle. Let's go to the order book. 11:05 candle. What is the first trade? Order time. This is the 11:10 candle. Okay. At 11:10 candle, I took the trade in Nifty. Around this candle, I took the trade in Nifty. What is the reason? Let me show you the reason here. Because when the price is rejecting from 20 EMA, during the downtrend, there are higher chances to the follow through. On this condition, I took the trade in Nifty. Okay. See, when I took the trade, my expectation is it will reach this line. But what happened? It goes against my trade. What will be the outcome of this trade? Listen to this carefully. This is the advantage of option selling. What will be the outcome because the price is going away my direction? What do you think of it? Please think for a second and I will show you what happened. Definitely you will feel like this much move has happened. I would have triggered my stop loss. I would have some loss. Okay. So what happened? My stop loss triggers on this candle, 12:30 candle. Can you imagine how is this possible? Why I am staying in the markets for such a long time even though it is going against me? This is the advantage of option selling. So let's see the proof of this. 12:30 candle. See, this is the 12:30 candle. Let's go to my terminal, brokerage terminal. See where it has executed. The buy order of this sell order, where it executed. I have taken the trade at 11:10 and it executed at 12:30. Now the 12:30 candle, let's see. Where is the 12:30 candle? See, it is this 12:30 candle. That means even my trade goes against me, I am staying in the, see, this is my stop loss somewhere here. What is the stop loss here? Yeah, it is, my stop loss is something like this. But it is going against in my direction. I still stay in the markets at 12:30. Still my trade executes at 12:30. I know it's a negative trade, but you need to understand this is a business. For any business there is some time. In that time we can make big sum of money. You have to wait until that time comes to your way of trading. Okay, now I want to discuss that Even it is going some against your direction, you can be in the trade. Even it is staying sideways, you can be in the trade, or it is moving in your direction, you can be in the trade. This is a perfect example of option selling. In these three ways you can make money. While in option buying, only one way you can make money, that is when you enter at this point, the price should come to this level. This is the only way you can make money. Okay, there are so many examples for option buying successes, but nowadays it is not that much possible to make money from indices. Why? Because every day there is going to be an expiry day in the market. So due to the advantage of the theta decay, I am staying in the market. If the market from here comes back, I am going to make money. Okay, slightly it is not in my direction for some time. Even though that happens, I can make money. Now you may have a doubt here. Let me explain this. These are very important things. See, my stop loss triggers at this spike, okay? But earlier I have stayed in the market, even this spike is there. How is it possible? What is the reason behind that? The reason behind that is the 20 EMA. When the move happens with the 20 EMA with volatility, it is the enemy for the option sellers. When you are an option buyer, 20 EMA is your friend. Okay, 20 EMA is your friend for option buying. But when you are an option seller, 20 EMA is your enemy. Due to that, even before it is going here, my stop loss triggers. If you understand these small things, these will help you in your trading career so much. That's why I'm making this video. I'm not shy about triggering my stop losses. Even I afraid to show my profits. Why? Because many traders are entering the market without knowledge, and they see the profits of experienced traders. They are entering the markets, losing their money. Okay, that's why I want to share. Whenever I saw some important things in the market, I will definitely share it with you. If you want these type of powerful insights, please stay connected and subscribe my channel. If you really want to learn the system, you can have my course. Consists of different strategies like gap up, gap down strategies, flat opening strategies, like that. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos, and please do watch this video, the pre-market analysis video. Then you will understand the essence of pre-market analysis and the option selling. Thank you.